Alright, today I'm going to help you make a simple house design in Sketchup. So first start, you can take this person out, she's just in the way, and to use this orbit tool to move around, you just press O on your keyboard, and it'll just help you move around, navigate. You can use the spinning thing on your mouse, and just to zoom in and out. Alright, but let's get started off. We take this rectangular face tool, and you just make a simple rectangle. Doesn't matter what the size is, something like that, it's okay. And we're gonna pull it up with the push pull tool. Push her belt right there. Use this pen tool, find the midpoint right here, and we're gonna go up about a foot. This isn't to scale, but it's just a simple house you can do. Yeah, we're gonna do the same thing in the back. Make it so it lines up. See that green dot? And just connect the corners. Do the same thing in the front. Just got that, and connect them. And to erase them extra lines that you don't need, just press E on your keyboard to equip the eraser tool. Then you just erase these lines that you don't need. Do them all at once. You just press that angle, I guess you could say, this 90-degree perpendicular, whatever you want to call it. Do that. And now we're going to do a simple little porch you can do. And we're going to bring this in around we'll go 8 inches. So just do 8 and then quotations. Do that. And this will go 7 inches. It's about that. And just connect that right there. And then we're just gonna go over. And let's see. And if you want to measure stuff, just line that up. Alright, if you want to measure stuff, you can just press this tape measure tool. And just do that. That's 7 15ths, 5/16ths. See, so it's off. So you gotta do that again. And if you want to get rid of those, you can just erase them, just like this. But I want to make this 8 inches, so I'm going to go in to 8 inches. Just type it in, and you got that. Just find that point, and just, alright, I'm just going to erase this just to make it easier to do. You can just erase lines all like that. But I'm just showing that there's possible things you can do, so just do 8 inches like that. Type that in, and just connect the lines. We're just going to make a simple rectangle do. Let's do that, connect them. Let's erase these extra lines on the outside, like that. Then use this push-pull tool, and we're gonna pull this out. So this will be like an overhang of a deck. So just roughly around there. And then we're gonna connect these so connect this to this corner up here, but we're gonna have to measure it out. So use this tape measure tool. And we'll go in about 5 inches, so that'd be good. So right there. So take this pen tool and just connect them dots. Then you can just use your eraser tool and erase that. And then just go like this and use this pen tool again. Connect that up. And you got the top of your deck so far. Just erase that and that. Erase this whole line, extra line, you don't need that. It'll come out. And just press Control Z if you make a mistake. And then we're gonna go over here. Do the same thing over here. But alright, so then you go in, what was it? 5 inches. So right there. And just connect that to the corner. Use your eraser tool. Just do that. And then just use this, and you want to connect these, just go like that. Once you got those connected, then you can erase this front. Just erase this top, that, and these just extra lines in the corners, erase those up. Use this orbit tool, come around and make sure everything is looking nice and grand. Alright, so now we're going to do the bottom of the porch. And now we'll just take a rectangle tool. Actually, we'll just do lines. So we'll just line that up. But we need to get a better angle, otherwise it's going to mess up the whole design. You want to go down, so you want that green line to show because it shows you're going out. And just go straight across. Well, you gotta make sure they're lined up, so just tape measure this. It's 8 inches. So just come in here, put 8 inches, connect that end point. Just line those up, come across, connect it. That should appear. Use your push pull tool, and you just lift it up. however high you want your deck to be. That should be good. Let's see what it looks like from the front. I'll bring it up a little higher. Just pull it up. It's about right there. And now we're just gonna make a little step. We'll go in. Maybe try to see how long this is. 2 1/4. Okay, so we'll go in about 6 inches, 7 inches. Come in about 7 inches. Same thing on the other side. It's about right there. Then just come in another 2 inches. Just do it until you get it right. Once you got that, then just come straight out. Another straight out. Alright, so just connect those. Come across, come 2 inches in again. Connect that up. Just make that, and then use the push pull tool. And you just lift this up so it's about halfway, just like a step. And you gotta step up to your thing. And if you want to make things smaller, you can just push that in like that. Just make that look better. Yes, looks fine. But, alright, so now you got this so far. And now we're going to pull out this house. So go down 6 inches right here. I want to go 2 inches right here. And we'll just go use the pen tool. Go out 3 inches, would be 2.5 inches, be okay. And that was, do the same thing on the other side. Connect them. Use your eraser tool to erase this extra line. Then use this push pull tool. Pull it out. Get a better angle, so see how far you want to pull it out. Use it again. Just push it till you like it, I guess, so it looks okay. And measure that up so it looks, so you can do the same thing on the other side. 3 5/8. We'll just round it to 3. So we'll just push it in till it's lined up, and then pull it out 3 inches. Tape measure it, make sure it's right. And as you see, it's not right. It's because I did it twice. So just pull that back in, and just pull it out so it's at 3 inches. And then go to the other side, do the same thing. Just do this pen tool, down 2 inches. And just press this again. You can press L if you want to do a shortcut. Make a new line. There, 2 inches, press L. If you want to make a new line, so 2.5 again right there. Connect them. Go back again. And use this eraser tool. Erase this right there. And pull it out. Again, 3 inches. And just measure just to make sure everything's right. And it is. So right now we got a simple house design. I got an extra erase part. Just erase that. So it's pretty much just your starter house. You can put a railing in right there. And I'm going to show you how to do some gutters. And you can just take your pen tool, go out, put it in, bring it in a little bit. Just do that. And then use this orbit tool. And then you can use this follow me tool. And you just have it follow you until you got where you like. You can do that however you want. Gutters, you can really do a couple designs on it. I'll leave that up to you, but that's it. It's just the way to make a simple house. And windows is pretty easy. You can just like this, just make square, do it again, do that, and just do whatever design you want. If you want to do that again, and you can just push stuff in with this push tool, so you got a little 3D effect. But yep, do that, and then doors the same way, and once you erase all those lines. Alright. Another thing you can do is add textures. You can just press B and stuff will come up. There's a bunch of stuff you can use, like roofing, or I can just use this as my shingles in my house. Just pour it in, and you can make the house the size of look nice. And just do that right there again. Looks good. And that's pretty much it. And that pretty much wraps up for SketchUp, things you can do. And just mess around with it. Do what you want. That's it. See you.